You're not stuck because you lack information. You're stuck because you're addicted to consuming it. Right now, someone your age has watched half the videos you have, read half the books, saved half the posts, and they're 10 times further ahead. Not because they know more, but because they stopped watching and started executing. They replaced motivation with a system that actually works. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact system that makes motivation irrelevant. The real framework that turns consumers into builders. Let's start with step 1. Stop consuming, start executing. You're stuck in the biggest trap of the modern self-improvement era, and you don't even realize it. You watch 10 videos about discipline, read 5 articles about productivity, save 20 posts about morning routines, and yet your life stays exactly the same because you're not actually learning, you're consuming, and every consumption gives your brain a small hit of satisfaction, like you've done something meaningful, but you haven't. You've just taken the reward without doing the work. That's why you feel busy, but remain stuck. Here's how to fix it. For every single hour you spend consuming content, you spend 1 hour executing it. Watch a video about discipline, go build discipline for 60 minutes. Read about habits, test one immediately. No consuming without doing, no learning without building, because information without execution is not self-improvement, it's self-deception. 2. Lock your daily non-negotiables. You know what separates the people who actually build something real from the people who just dream about it? Non-negotiables. The actions they do every single day, no matter how they feel, no matter what life throws at them, they do it anyway. So here's what you need to do. Pick 3 non-negotiables. The 3 that actually move your life forward. Not busy work, not fake productivity. 3 things that if you did them every day for a year, your entire life would be unrecognizable. Maybe it's 1 hour of deep work, 30 minutes of reading, 20 minutes of workout. Whatever it is, just lock it in. And once you lock it in, you never negotiate again. Because non-negotiable means you do the work even when every part of you wants to quit. This is how discipline stops being an effort and starts becoming your identity. 3. Control your environment. You think willpower will save you. It won't. Because you can't rely on willpower when your environment is working against you. If your phone is next to your bed, you'll check it first thing in the morning. If junk food is in your kitchen, you'll eat it. If distractions are 1 click away, you'll get distracted. So redesign your environment. Put your phone in another room when you work. Delete the apps that steal your time. Remove the junk food. Make bad habits hard and good habits automatic. Because you're not lacking discipline. You're just living in a space built to break you. Fix the space, and discipline becomes automatic. 4. Review and refine daily. Your brain does not automatically learn from experience. It only learns from experience you force yourself to evaluate. So every night, grab a notebook and spend 5 minutes reviewing your day. Write down what you executed today, not what you watched, not what you learned, what you actually did. Then write what worked, what didn't, what you need to change tomorrow. Not to judge yourself, to understand yourself. Because the moment you start reviewing your actions, patterns start to appear. And once you see those patterns, you fix what's broken, you repeat what works, and once you start doing that consistently, you stop guessing and start progressing. The system is here, the system that replaced motivation with execution. Now, if you're ready to stop watching motivation and start executing your life, comment, "I'm ready," and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Inspire Path, because that's where transformation begins.